The SawStop Professional Cabinet Saw combines SawStop's patented safety system with class-leading quality and performance, making it ideal for avid hobbyists and small shop professionals. In addition to unmatched safety and dust collection, SawStop's Professional Cabinet Saw offers a host of other features, including convenience, precision engineering, and durability that make it the right saw to get the job done. A good fence is essential to accurate cutting. The Professional Cabinet Saw comes with 3 fence and rail choices to fit both the size of your shop and your cutting needs. The 30-inch rip capacity is matched up with the nimble and strong premium fence. And the 36 and 52-inch rail lengths come with SawStop's famous T-Glide fence. It's made of heavy gauge steel, which makes it rigid and accurate. On all SawStop fences, a magnified indicator lens makes it easy to see measurements down to a 32nd of an inch. Widely spaced glide plates and an infinitely adjustable rail provide flawless travel along the extension table. The zero clearance insert supports the wood along the cut and reduces tear out and chip out. The Professional Cabinet Saw offers a couple of mobility choices. With fully welded 1/4-inch steel construction, high-grade wheels and casters, and 1-foot operation, the Professional Mobile Base makes it easy to maneuver the saw, even with a 52-inch extension table. 2 wheels are housed inside the cabinet to reduce footprint, and the saw's cabinet rests securely on the ground when the mobile base is disengaged. And for those seeking the ultimate in mobility, upgrade to the Industrial Mobile Base. Designed because no other base could handle the mass of the Industrial Cabinet Saw, this 1,000-pound capacity base offers the ultimate in ease and mobility. 3 quick pumps of the hydraulic piston raises the saw, and the 4 independent polyurethane wheels turn at your direction in any direction. Then simply release the piston, and the saw lowers safely to rest directly on the floor. A simple conversion kit makes this base a perfect fit for your professional cabinet saw. The Professional Cabinet Saw's true vertical gas-assisted elevation system makes raising and lowering the blade a breeze. The trunnions and motor are perfectly balanced for precise tilt adjustments, providing consistent and precise blade alignment at all elevations. Not only does this improve the accuracy of your cuts, it also reduces the risk of binding and kickback. The table is machine ground to the tightest tolerances from a solid piece of cast iron, and beveled edges prevent scratching of delicate surfaces. The poly V-ribbed belts transfer more power to the blade for better cuts with less vibration. And the powder-coated steel cabinet resists rust and corrosion to ensure lifelong reliability. The SawStop Professional Cabinet Saw is built to work with any kind of wood for any kind of cut, including rips, cross-cuts, angled cuts, beveled cuts, wide cuts, and narrow cuts. Our customers often say they bought this saw for its safety features, but fell in love with its quality. The SawStop Professional Cabinet Saw, designed by woodworkers to provide extraordinary safety, quality, and performance that truly sets it apart from other table saws.